In Central African rainforests, dense vegetation hides stable family groups led by powerful and experienced silverbacks. Seasonal fruit and forest structure dictate their daily movement, foraging strategies, and spacing between neighboring groups. Their social lives rely on maternal care, long-term bonds, and calm leadership to maintain deep forest cohesion. Through constant movement and feeding, these giants disperse seeds, shaping the vegetation of the lowland ecosystem. Sadly, deforestation and hunting pressure are causing critical declines in populations throughout their remaining African range. High in the Virunga Mountains, these gorillas survive in limited ranges shaped by the ancient volcanic terrain. Cool mist and dense vegetation determine their diet, movement rhythms, and close spacing within cohesive groups. Survival here depends on strong cohesion, extended caregiving, and the protective leadership of dominant male silverbacks. Their regular feeding habits influence plant structure, supporting a delicate ecological balance within these fragile forests. Despite protections, these endangered groups remain vulnerable to disease, habitat loss, and ongoing regional political instability. Chimpanzees roam across equatorial Africa, thriving in habitats ranging from dense rainforests to open woodland mosaics. Constant environmental changes drive flexible diets, seasonal movement, and sophisticated foraging strategies across their vast territories. Their complex society involves alliances, politics, and cooperation, displaying social depth rarely seen outside human cultures. Learned cultural traditions and tool use demonstrate advanced cognition shaped by long-term ecological challenges in the wild. Deforestation and escalating conflict near human settlements continue to drive the decline of these endangered populations. Isolated south of the Great River, bonobos inhabit the Congo Basin rainforests protected by ancient barriers. Stable food sources reduce competition, allowing for fluid movement and relaxed social dynamics across the landscape. These female-centered societies emphasize strong cooperation, social bonding, and nonviolent conflict resolution within their peaceful groups. Such unique behaviors promote social stability and significantly reduced aggression within their densely populated rainforest habitats. Yet, deforestation and hunting now threaten these populations, despite their historically remote distribution deep in the forest. olive baboons occupy expansive savanna woodlands, surviving and thriving across diverse African landscapes and environmental conditions. Seasonal resources require constant movement between feeding grounds, sleeping sites, and reliable water sources to survive. Large troops depend on strict dominance hierarchies to regulate competition and maintain social order among members. Their remarkable adaptability allows survival in disturbed environments, often living in close proximity to human settlements. However, habitat fragmentation and human conflict increasingly pressure the long-term stability of these resilient primate populations. Chacma baboons dominate southern savannas, rocky hills, and coastal regions, surviving with remarkable resilience and strength. Harsh climates demand opportunistic feeding, flexible ranging behavior, and constant environmental awareness to endure the elements. Strong social bonds and coordinated vigilance help protect the group from dangerous predators and external threats. Intelligence and cooperation enable them to exploit these challenging and unpredictable environments for their daily survival. Human expansion, habitat alteration, and conflict increasingly affect the regional distribution of these southern baboon populations. Mandrills inhabit dense equatorial forests, remaining closely tied to the intact rainforest ecosystems of Central Africa. Abundant fruit resources support the formation of unusually large and highly mobile social troops in the forest. Vivid visual communication, coloration, and social organization regulate interactions within these massive and colorful primate groups. Their foraging behavior contributes significantly to seed dispersal across the forest floor of their jungle habitats. Unfortunately, deforestation and hunting now pose serious threats to the remaining mandrill populations in the wild. Mandrills occupy the restricted rainforests of Cameroon and Nigeria, suffering from a severely fragmented geographic distribution. Dense vegetation shapes their secretive behavior, resulting in limited visibility and cautious movement patterns through the trees. Groups maintain cohesion through vocal communication, physical proximity, and shared travel routes across the forest floor. Forest floor foraging supports localized seed movement within the remaining habitat patches of their shrinking range. Severe habitat loss places drills among Africa's most threatened primate species, facing an uncertain future today. Mantled Guerezas live high within East African forest canopies, rarely descending to the ground level below. Their leaf-based diets rely on specialized digestion and consistent access to mature foliage in the canopy. Social groups communicate through loud calls, maintaining spacing across the fragmented forest corridors of their home. Their feeding habits influence leaf turnover and nutrient cycling within the upper layers of the forest. Forest fragmentation increasingly disrupts the canopy connectivity that is essential for their long-term survival and movement. Blue monkeys inhabit humid African forests, favoring stable woodland and forest edge environments for their daily life. Seasonal fruit availability shapes their daily movement patterns through the multiple strata of the dense forest. Female bonded groups maintain cohesion, sharing knowledge and cooperating to use resources within their territory effectively. Their feeding behavior supports ongoing seed dispersal, maintaining diversity within the complex forest ecosystems they inhabit. However, habitat degradation increasingly threatens these localized populations across their range in the changing African landscape. Red-tailed monkeys range through lowland forests and swamp habitats found across the heart of Central Africa. Incredible agility enables efficient movement between branches, feeding sites, and canopy pathways high above the ground. Social awareness reduces conflict within mixed species associations, allowing them to share forest resources in relative peace. Their foraging behavior contributes to forest regeneration and the maintenance of plant diversity in the ecosystem. Deforestation continues to reduce suitable habitat throughout their geographic range, challenging their ability to survive wild. Gray-cheeked Mangabeys inhabit primary African forests, frequently traveling across forest floors while dispersing vital plant seeds. Their strong limbs support long-distance movement between feeding areas and seasonal resource patches in the wild. Careful group coordination ensures safety, cohesion, and efficient travel within the dense forest environments they roam. Seed dispersal from fruit consumption supports forest regeneration and ecological diversity throughout their tropical habitat range. Logging and hunting increasingly threaten remaining populations across the fragmented habitats of their shrinking African home.